Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering essentials. Open Notion, confirm your account, and enable integrations. Next, pick your AI, Notion AI for built-in features, or an external model via API key. Store that key safely. Create a testing template page that contains sample prompts, data fields, and expected outputs so you can iterate fast. Once done, run one simple prompt to validate responses. Make sure to label fields clearly, and keep one backup copy of the template for rollback. Now you construct the main workflows. Design databases with properties for prompt text, response, status, and timestamps so you track progress. Use page templates and relations to chain prompts into multi-step jobs, and add formulas to auto-change status or compute metadata. Then connect your chosen AI. Use Notion AI blocks or call an external model through the API for batch processing. Once connected, schedule runs or trigger on property changes, and monitor logs to ensure consistency and expected outputs. Finish by validating outputs. Sample several results, look for inconsistencies or hallucinations, and test edge cases. Next, deploy your system by sharing templates, setting granular permissions, and documenting user steps and cost limits so usage stays predictable. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Check API keys and rate limits, refine prompts to be more specific, and clear local caches or reindex pages in Notion. One key tip: if responses drift, revert to the tested template and iterate prompts with tighter constraints.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.